Good morning to one and all present here. I am Adeline Beena, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology, Mangadu, Chennai. Subject name is Cloud Computing, subject code CCS 335, Regulation 2021, Unit 2, Part 2. Today I am going to present the virtualization and the implementation level of virtualization. First of all, what is a virtualization? Virtualization is the process of creating virtual version of computer resources instead of physical resources. That means resources such as CPU, memory, storage, network, operating system can be virtualized. Virtualization can be implemented different layers of a computer system. It depends on the level at which virtualized is applied. Performance, flexibility, and resource utilization may vary. Different layers in the implementation of virtualization. There are 5 layers: application level virtualization, library level virtualization, operating system level virtualization, hardware abstraction layer level virtualization, instruction set architecture level virtualization. First one, application level virtualization. It is an application run inside the virtual runtime environment. It provides its own interpreter or managed execution layer. How it works? It application level virtualization. The application is not executed directly by the OS like Linux, Ubuntu, Windows. Instead, it runs inside the virtual machine that provides required services such as memory management, garbage collection, bytecode execution, etc. Then application level virtualization example is from an image JVM, that means Java Virtual Machine, .NET Clear panel. This is the example of application level virtualization. What are the advantages of the application level virtualization? It is a platform independent. Platform independent means write once, run anywhere. It is a strong application level isolation is the application level virtualization. Some different disadvantages in the application level virtualization. First one, performance overhead due to the interpretation or JIT compilation. Only virtualized applications, not full operating system. Second one, library level virtualization. Library level virtualization is performed at the API or library level. It is the instead of virtualization, the whole operating system, only applications are required, libraries are virtualized or modified. How it works, the library level virtualization? Application called standard API. The application, it called standard API. A library wrapper or compatibility layer intercept these calls and translate them. Example, library level virtualization example, Wine or Baby that runs the Windows application on Linux. Lex run Linux binaries on Unix system. Visual Main run Windows app on Unix. Then some advantages of the library virtualization. First one, good performance. It cross-platform probability without modifying application code. Third one is the operating system level virtualization. Operating system level virtualization is the multiple isolated user space instances. Instances is like containers. It shares a single kernel but behaves like a separate operating system environment. How is it work? Kernel allows create of multiple isolated execution environment. Each environment has its own file system, process, network stack. Operating system level virtualization example for jail, virtual environment, NISM and FVM. File system virtual machines. Then real modern example is Docker, OpenVSR, Solaris container. Then advantages is very lightweight, fast startup times, high density. Then same as disadvantages is all containers share the same OS kernel, cannot run different OS types. It can run only same OS type. Suppose means Windows, Linux means Linux. Then fourth one, hardware abstraction layer level virtualization. Hardware abstraction, a layer of software, the hypervisor sits between the hardware and operating system. It allowing multiple operating system instances to run on the same machines. This is the most widely used level for server virtualization. How it works in the hardware abstraction layer virtualization? Hardware is abstracted into the virtual hardware. Guest operating system belongs, it is running on a real hardware. The hypervisors manage the CPU, memory, I/O devices and storage. Example, VMware, Virtual PC, Denali, Xen, L4. Advantages mean strong isolation of virtual machine, can run multiple different OSs on same physical machine, that is a Linux, Windows and BSD, etc. Mature features, migration, snapshot, fault tolerance. Disadvantage, more overhead than containers. It requires hypervisor management and hardware support. Then fifth layer is the instruction set architecture level virtualization. Virtualization is done at the CPU instruction set level by emulating the entire hardware architecture. How it works, the instruction set architecture virtualization. Every CPU instruction from the guest operating system is either interpreted or binary translated into the host machine instruction. Then example from image, Booch, Cruise, QEMU, Bird and Dynamo is the example for the instruction set architecture. Thank you.